Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into Rollercoin. We're going to be checking out how our account is getting on and how season 11 is progressing. And I've also got a withdrawal proof for you as well. So keep watching.
Hey, it's me, Jesse. Do you like my new headset? Anyway, welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting RJ's channel, and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto-related stuff, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that notification bell, so you're alerted to all of his new content as it comes online. Thanks for watching.
Hey, thanks Jesse for that great intro. Since it's quite funny, I've had a few emails and that from you guys asking about Jessie. She will be appearing more regularly. She will be doing shorts in the future and stuff like that. So obviously anything you need to know, up in a post below the video. Okay, so here we are in my Rollercoin account. And it's been a month. Yet again, another video. There's been a month since the last time we were in here. And in that month, a few things have changed. So the last time, the last video we did, our hashing power, which is this number right here, that was at 233.012 petahashes. You can now see we're at 236, nearly 237 petahashes. So that has been a nice boost from the last video. Something I have done which has helped to boost my account is that basically what I went and did was I went and treated myself to one of the gold shelves. So that's a 6% shelf instead of the 5%. And then I actually did, if we go into here, I actually got myself, I filled in this gap here and got a couple more 5% shelves. Just trying to fill it up, because obviously remember in the Halloween burning event and stuff like that, and all through that period I basically got rid of so many miners. I just sold off all my regular racks as well, with the idea of replacing them. And the thing is 5% racks, I mean 6% racks are actually a pretty good price, but 5% racks are actually below 4 RLT. So if you're looking to get yourself some racks with bonuses, go and get those 5% racks. They are right now actually below 4 RLT. So get yourself a bargain while you can. Okay, so a month ago, our bonus was at 252.89%. We're now at a 254.69, so getting close to that 255%. And this is to do with the withdrawal. A month ago, our BTC was at basically 19,000 satoshis. You can see we're over 100,000 satoshis now. So that is we're gonna be doing a withdrawal in a short while. And then if we go here, so our level a month ago was level 2. We're now at level 6. Now I have to say, and I will put my hand up to this, I have been a little bit lazy. I have not been doing as many games as I did in season 10. Obviously, if we look in here and we go and check out how long we've got left, we've got less than a month left, so I really need to get on it. If I don't get much further, which obviously I'm hoping I will get a decent length, at least to level 10 or so I want to get down to. But if I don't make that, I'm probably not even going to bother activating the pass. I might have to work it out, just see what I would end up with. I mean, obviously we're going to get a 30-day 1 petahash there, which will be very nice. And then we got a 2 petahash here. But the thing is, until you that's, look, level 13, and you're still only at the 124 gigahash miners. Obviously, that's the free. Over on this side, you've had a few more 318s, but you don't start getting down to the really big ones until, you know, you're well, you know, this 717s. I don't think there's any on, even on that side early. No. So yeah, so it's going to depend on how far we get. Will depend on whether I even activate that pass. We have currently got, well, 2 seconds. You can see here we have currently got nearly 42 RLT. We need 99 to activate the pass. And then obviously it would be nice if we could get all of the miners as well. But that's going to be another 200 or whatever. You know, whatever it is, depending again on the level that I actually managed to reach will depend on what the full pass will come to. Now, obviously in the last event, I didn't quite make the full pass. I think we ended up having to drop 2 of the last 2 levels because I didn't quite have enough money. But still, we managed to basically buy a load of individual levels with the BTC that I'd managed to save up. And that's what we're going to possibly be looking to do. So if we go into, and for those of you that don't know a whole lot about Rollercoin, but think it looks like a fun and interesting way to earn yourself some free crypto, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to an earlier video. Now that's like a tutorial, so it's going to give you a lot more information and a better understanding of how the program works and what you need to be doing to get your accounts up and running and earn yourself some of these free coins. But if you go right to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. Where are we going? We're going to go into the wallet. Now, what do we want? Oh, here, BTC. Withdraw. Okay, so we copy that address, copy that, lob that in there, paste, confirm. Now we're going to take all of it, so we'll just copy that. I think we can do that, can we? Paste. I think we can do that. I think that's okay. So, and then if we just withdraw that. Okay. Right. So I have to say, this is so much easier with this code thing rather than having to actually go into my email account. I find it so much easier. Okay, let's have a look. I mean, obviously I've got to go into my account to get the verification code, but I can do that on my mobile phone, you know. Okay, so okay, so that has basically gone through. That will now be, as you can see here, it is now classed as waiting, and then hopefully we'll get that soon. And what I'm going to do is, as soon as that comes through, I will post a little video, or maybe get Jesse to post a little video just showing that payment proof so you guys know that that's gone through. Because I know I've done withdrawal proofs in the past and then ended up actually forgetting to show the payment proof. So that's what I'll do. Obviously, you know, Jessie's a great help. She's a brilliant assistant, and I'll just probably get her to put a little short together to show that payment proof for you guys. But obviously, any questions about Rollercoin, anything that you can think of, anything that you're struggling with, just post below this video. Obviously, there's been not, with the beginning of 2024, pretty much in most of the programs we use, there's not been any real significant updates. So that's why sort of a lot of the videos that I would normally do, you know, I've basically just not been able to make because there's been no real movement or like no real major updates. Yes, there's been little updates, there's been little competitions and stuff like that, but you know, you guys can read about that, you know, and it doesn't really need too much in the sense of a discussion. or, you know, I know you guys are going to be able to do it with absolutely no problem without any help. So like I say, those little updates I don't really sort of make videos for. So we're just waiting for major updates, and then obviously I will start then putting them out, you know, giving you my opinions and all that kind of stuff like I do. But anyway, I am going to leave that for today. I don't want to keep you guys much longer. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there. I hope you found that helpful and informative. If you are interested in that tutorial, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can smash that like button, please, it really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.